Welcome back. Now, as of the recording of this video, you will see certain pricing on the Dragon Home version, which is noted at version 13, Dragon Premium version 13, as well as Dragon Professional version, which is labeled at version 15. And you'll note that the Premium version is about $100 more than the Home version, and then the Professional version is $125 more than the Premium version. Now you'll also note that there is Dragon Anywhere, and it is for the mobile device, and the cost is going to be $15 a month or $150 for 12 months. Now one thing that you'll note about the Professional version is that Dragon Professional will be half price if you already have a previous version, as long as that previous version is the Premium or Professional version starting at version 12 up through version 14. There is only one comparable version for the Mac, and that's Dragon Professional. And again, the same opportunity exists to upgrade if you have a previous version. Dragon Professional for the Mac will allow you to use your Bluetooth headset to control the program. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.